Hi, Pareshana, and we have reached the module where I'm going to share with you about product creation. Now, the very fact is that there are all kinds of trainings out there and all kinds of methods of product creation. And as a matter of fact, if I was to teach you about product creation, it could take, if it's a live class, it could take days to complete everything. If it's like a video training like this, it could take like entire home course just to touch on product creation. So we're not going to go through product creation as per se, but I'm going to teach you a specific method to launch your digital e-commerce business by using digital product. I know it doesn't really make sense, but in short, what I'm trying to tell you is that I'm going to teach you one particular method. Instead of trying to, tell you the whole world of product creation, which can be rather overwhelming, I'm trying to teach you what you can use right now in order for you to launch and to sell, to make money on the internet, all right? And at the same time, this particular module is called product creation through simplification. So it's going to be simplified so that you can follow it, obviously. And secondly, what's more important is something that is doable and you can do it as soon as possible. All right. So I want to teach you first the concept of creating content and to package it into a digital product so that you can offer to your customers, right? So I want you to look at the board because I'll be doing some sketching here so that it's easier for me to teach. Now, there's this one black dot, right? And then there is one red dot here. Can you see that from the... Alright, you can see it clearly. And let's just draw a line from the black dot to the red dot. Just a straight line. So what is your product? Now, people are not, or should I say your potential customers, are not buying products as per se. I mean, if you're selling, say, you're selling like a bag, right? Obviously, they're buying the bag. As in, like, they buy the bag because they want to look good in it, they want to carry to put their stuff or whatever it is. So they're buying the bag. They're not buying the cloth and so on. They're buying like the bag. Now, right now, when you sell a digital product, you are not selling a book. You're not selling a video course. You're not selling that. You're actually selling what it can help them to achieve. Now, try to understand this very well, okay? It's not the product that they're buying. It's the end results of what your product can do for them. And in this case, your product is a digital product. It's content in that sense. So, in this business, let me remind you again that we're in the business of either solving a problem where our product provides a solution to a particular challenge or problem they have, or our product helps them to accelerate their path to success faster or easier. Like for instance, let's say if they are already fit, right? They're not finding a solution to become fitter, but our product may help them to become fitter in the sense, which means it's an improvement to their current situation. So for every single prospect that we have, we always have this black dot and this red dot. Let me explain here. This is what I call, in my own definition, I call this the trigger. And then I call this, the red dot, I call this the one achievement. So this is what it matters the most. What is the trigger that makes your potential customers or your prospects wanting to buy your product, or wanting the solution that you have, or wanting your accelerator that you have? What is the trigger, right? And your trigger will lead them to have one achievement. There's just one thing that you help them to achieve. Forget about everything else, just think of one thing. What is the one achievement that they're looking for, right? Now, if you figure this out, the trigger, what is the trigger that they have to get them wanting to get your product, and what they will get after they've gone through the process of consuming your product, you will have a customer. Make sense? So let me give you an example. Alright, so let's take the internet marketing niche as per se, right? So it could be that the trigger is that they want to have an online business, right? And why would they want to have an online business? Well, it could be that they have a job and they want to have additional stream of income, right? It could be as simple as that. So the trigger could be that they are not having enough money from their job, or it could be that they just want to have more money. So when we talk about more money, it's not really a problem. It's like having something more. That is where it's about you giving them something better and improvement in that context, right? So for that matter, the one achievement is that they need to have their online business, right? Now, to have their online business, it doesn't mean that they will be able to make money. But if they have their online business, that's considered one achievement. So this one achievement can be elaborated, it can be expanded, and it's very subjective. And I purposely keep it that way, so it's very easy for you to get started with. Now, the whole concept is this. From this one achievement, it can be expanded, and this is where your same customers may be buying more products from you. Now, from this context, I want you to understand is that when I say we'll be buying more from you, it doesn't mean that you're trying to sell more. It just simply means that you are there to add more value into their life, because now they need more tools, more resources, more knowledge to achieve what they want to achieve. Make sense? So this is where you build an evergreen business, whether you are selling others of your own digital products, or you could be selling other people's product as an affiliate to monetize your asset. I hope I'm not making it too complicated, right? But the whole concept here is that the one achievement continues to expand, because there are many one achievements that you will present to your customers eventually to build a long-term relationship with them. But in the beginning, for your very first, or it may not be the first, it may be the second, third, and so on, digital product that you're creating. But for this one, in digital e-commerce blueprint, all I want you to do is just to focus. What is the trigger? What is the trigger that makes them say, hey, you know what? I'm looking for a solution to something, right? And what is your one achievement? I can also use the one achievement as in like, what is your promise to them? Now, I don't want to use the word promise because I don't want you to get the wrong idea that we're promising them success and so on. It is not that. But it's that meaning of what the one achievement means. So let me give you another example. Let's take away the internet marketing niche. Oops, I dropped my marker pen. But we take about wellness, for instance, right? So let's say someone have acne on her face or his face. So the trigger is that this person have acne, and she or he doesn't quite like the acne because she or he feel embarrassed and so on, right? So what is the one achievement? Well, very simple. The one achievement is that he or she can have the acne disappear, or the least the acne become less. Now, that's the trigger and that's the one achievement. Very straightforward, right? Now, if you are able to say, give them a small one achievement, as in like the acne become less, that's good enough for you to win the heart of your customers and expand upon your one achievement to many more opportunities for your business. So the next one achievement could be to completely remove all the acne. Again, I'm just giving an example. Other one achievement is that maybe from here, he or she can be better looking or prettier and so on, right? But then again, let me bring you back to today's training. Just focus on one achievement at this moment of time. Figure out the trigger, figure out your one achievement, kabam! You now have the so-called the seed to launch your product. Now, once you figure that out, we'll go to the next training where I'll share with you what's next. All right, see you then.